A 50% chance of rain in the afternoon. Highs in the upper 50s to mid-60s. The wind passes in canyons, areas of southeast winds 15 to 25 miles an hour. Sunday night, rain likely. Lows in the mid-40s to around 50. Local south.
The following message is transmitted at the request of the Federal Aviation Administration. Several unidentified aircrafts and warships have been reported in the Pacific Ocean 45 miles of the coast of Los Angeles. Their intentions are unknown at this time. It is possible that it might be foreign and may pose a threat. Citizens of the city of Los Angeles are advised to tune to local media outlets for more information. Stay tuned to this station for updates as it becomes available.
East winds around 15 miles an hour. Chance of precipitation 70%. Monday, rain likely in the morning and a chance of rain in the afternoon. Highs in the mid-50s to around 60. Chance of precipitation 70%. Monday night, partly cloudy with a slight chance of rain in the evening and mostly cloudy with a chance of rain after midnight.
This is an ABC News special report.
And we are coming on the air because we have breaking news out of Los Angeles, California, where we are just learning that several aircrafts and warships have been spotted near Los Angeles. At this time we don't know anything about it. Wait a minute. We have just learned that the aircrafts and warships are foreign and are posing a threat. These ships and aircrafts are a mix of Russian, North Korean, and Iraqi planes and ships. This is George Stephanopoulos in the ABC newsroom in New York. Wait, oh my. The aircrafts and ships have made its way to Los Angeles and are beginning to let militants get out and open fire to the public. The LAPD has made its way and are beginning to open fire. The Army was also dispatched. At this time, residents in the west coast of the United States should shelter in place or head for an underground shelter. Wait, wow, see, attention, this just in. Another wave of aircrafts and warships are heading for the United States East Coast, and the countries of Canada and Mexico. We will now cease transmission to find a shelter. The following message is transmitted at the request of the United States government. This is not a test. A foreign invasion is occurring against the continental United States, Mexico, and Canada. Several aircrafts and warships have made their way to the United States West Coast and the United States East Coast. There have been numerous reports of attacks in Los Angeles, Kansas City, Miami, New York, St. Louis, Chicago, and Dallas. There have also been reports of these invaders attacking the Mexican and Canadian borders. Warning sirens are now going off. At this time, all residents of the continental United States, Mexico, and Canada should head for an underground shelter. If no shelter is available, U.S., Canadian, and Mexican troops will lead you to one. President Obama will be speaking on all stations shortly. Stand by for this message. This is an emergency action notification. All broadcast and cable systems shall transmit this emergency action notification message. This station has interrupted its regular programming at the request of the White House to participate in the emergency alert system. During this emergency, most stations will remain on the air to provide news and information to the public in distinct areas. This is KABC. We will continue to serve the Los Angeles metropolitan area. If you are not in this local area, you should now tune to stations for your local area. You are listening to the emergency alert system serving the Los Angeles metropolitan area. Do not use your telephone. The telephone line should be kept open for emergency use. The emergency alert system has been activated.
Stand by for a message from the President of the United States.
Good evening. Tonight, I can report to the American people and to the world that the United States